Connect the output end of the fiber laser to the laser cutting head. First, remove the laser head and optical fiber head protective glue. Place the laser head and optical fiber head in a sterile room. Wipe them with absolute ethanol or high concentration alcohol combined with a dust-free cotton swab to ensure that there is no dust pollution. Remove the laser head protective cap and the laser cutting head. Use the light source to check whether the lens is damaged or polluted. Remove the protective cap of the fiber optic head. Check whether the fiber optic lens is clean and free of pollution. When installing, keep the fiber head horizontally. Align the fiber head with the positioning point on the laser head. Insert the fiber head into the QBH interface of the laser head. First rotate the QBH connector clockwise. Then push one side of the fiber head and then clockwise again rotate the QBH connector to lock the connection. Pay attention to unlock the QBH laser interface before connecting. The unlocking operation is opposite to the locking operation. After the connection is completed, use an non-adhesive tape to seal and protect the QBH interface. Install the laser head to the corresponding position of the machine head. Tighten the screws on both sides. Connect the water inlet to the laser head interface. Connect the laser QBH waterway and the laser head waterway interface. Connect the backwater system of the fuselage and the interface of the laser head. Connect the trachea. Connect two focusing cables. Pay attention to the different number of holes in the interface of the two focusing cables. Connecting a signal amplifier. Install the signal amplifier to the corresponding position. The laser head is installed. Water cooler and laser power cable installation. The laser power cable is connected to port 2. The power cord of the water chiller is connected to port 1. Connect the L line of the water chiller to the U1 or V1 port. Connect the N line to the N1 port. Connect the L line of the laser to the U2 or V2 port. Connect the N line to the N2 port. Connect the ground wires of the two power cables to the PE port. Now let's connect the network cable. The other end is connected to the network cable interface of the computer host. Connect the laser signal control line. Connect the other end to the wiring terminal of the distribution box. P-line positive, negative corresponds to modulation input positive, negative. 0 to 10 volts input positive, negative corresponds to the line positive, negative, positive, negative external outgoing light corresponds to positive, negative red light. Enable input positive, negative corresponds to enable positive, negative. Water cooler part. The water inlet of the fuselage is a blue tube. The water outlet of the fuselage is a red tube. The blue pipe of the fuselage is connected to the normal temperature water outlet of the chiller. The red pipe of the fuselage is connected to the normal temperature return water port of the chiller. The low temperature outlet pipe of the chiller is connected to the water return port of the laser. The low temperature return pipe of the chiller is connected to the water outlet of the laser. The fuselage oxygen tube is connected to the oxygen cylinder. The fuselage air pipe is connected with the air compressor.